I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel chapter 4 Grader project EBL Sporting Goods PC and Mac. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments help, quizzes help, assignments help, and exam helps on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my IT Lab Accounting, my Lab Finance, my Lab Excel, my Lab Word, my Lab PowerPoint, my Lab SS, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. If you need complete solution of this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete solution for A+ grade, and I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. I can do all online courses on my Pearson, my IT Lab, assignment, okay, Simnet, MCGrail Simnet, Cengagement tab, Blackboards, and many more college and university. Okay, we will go to our Pearson My IT Lab, and then we will download our files. Click on download button, click on download all files, download material, click on download all files. All files will be downloaded here. We will go to our PC folder, and then we will open our files. Okay, we will open our files in the download folder, extract this, and then I will open my file. Okay, simply click on Word file first, and then we will open second file. Is click on enable editing button. We will increase the font size of this file for a proper view. Total question of this assignment is 13. Then I will show, and I will do my assignment. Now I am opening. Okay, the title of this assignment is XP22 Excel chapter 4 ML1 EBL Sporting Good. This is the title of assignment. Here is the project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now moving on, question number 1. Start Excel, download and open the file name XP22 Excel chapter 4 ML1 inventory XLS. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can see this my file. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson IT Lab dashboard. Click on enable editing button. Now I am starting my assignment. Please follow my video and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Okay, question number 2 is that freeze the top row so that the column labels do not scroll off screen. Basically in this question we will freeze our top row, freeze the top row so that column label do not frozen. Select row 1, go to the home tab. In the view tab, okay, we will select row 1, go to the view tab. In the window group, click on freeze pane button, click on freeze top row button. Okay, top row will be freeze and column label do not scroll off screen. Question number 2 is that convert the, you can read this, I have highlighted, convert the data to a table and name the table inventory 2024. We will convert our data to a table. Basically in this question we will convert our data to a table. Then we will rename our table to this name inventory 2024. We will go to the Excel workbook, we will go to the insert tab. In the tables group, click on table button, then click on OK. Table will be inserted, and then name the table inventory 2024. Go to the table design tab. In the properties group, in the table name box, we will type inventory 2024. Okay, 2024. This question is done now. Now I am moving on. Next question is question number 4. Please follow my video. You will pass your assignment by watching this video. Apply light green. Okay, apply light green table style light 18 to the table. We will go to the Excel workbook. Then we will apply table style light green table style 18, medium 18. Go to the table design tab. In the table style group, we will go to the medium style, light green table style, go to the light and then apply light green 18, table style light 18. Now we will move on question number 5. Question number 5 is that, okay, sort the table by warehouses A to Z, then by unit price smallest to largest, and then by department. Create a custom sort order for department, okay, so that it displays in the sequence training, athletic apparel, footwear, fitness, outdoor gear and toys. The first point of this question is that sort the table by warehouses A to Z. We will click on warehouses table and then go to the home tab in the sort and filter group. In the editing group, click on sort and filter button. Okay, click on custom sort at level warehouses. Warehouses that A to Z. Then at second level is unit price smallest to largest. At second level unit price smallest to largest. Okay, then by department create a custom sort order for department so that it display in this sequence. We will at third level is department. Click on add level is department. Okay, department custom list is our here. Where is our custom list? Training, athletics. Here is training, athletic apparel, footwear, fitness, outdoor gear and toys. Click on OK. Then click on OK. Table will be sorted. Now we will move on question number 6. I have done 5 questions of this assignment right now. Question number 6 of this assignment is that remove duplicates record for the table. Excel should find and remove one duplicate record. Okay, we will go to the table design tab. Okay, in the tools group, click on remove duplicates button. Okay, click on OK. One duplicates value found and removed. 78 unique value remain. Click on OK button. Now moving on question number 7. I have done 6 questions right now. Question number 7 is that create an unqualified structure references in column G. Okay, you can see here. Create an unqualified structure reference in column G to determine the value of inventory on hand. To calculate the inventory on hand, multiply the unit price and the amount on hand. We will go to the Excel workbook and then we'll click on column G, press is equal to and then create qualified structure unit price multiplying by amount on hands, then press enter. It will define inventory value in column G. Okay, unit price multiplying by amount hand. Okay, you can see here answer is done. Now we will move on question number 8. I have done 7 questions right now. Question number 8 is that okay, apply a total row to the inventory 2024 table. Set the amount on hand to average. Okay, apply a total row to the inventory 2024 table. Set the amount on hand to average. Format the result to display with 2 decimal places. The first point of this question is that we will apply total row to the inventory 2024 table. Then we will set the amount on hand to average. Okay, we will go to our Excel workbook and then apply a total row to the inventory 2024 table. Okay, we will go to the table design and then click on total row button. Okay, the next point is that set the amount on hand to average. Amount of hand to average, right click on this, we will click on, sorry, here is amount of hand. Right click on this and then click on average button. Okay, average will be find amount on hands table. Format the result to display with 2 decimal places. Format the result to display with 2 decimal points. We will go to the home tab in the number group. Okay, decrease decimal only 2 points. Okay, you can see I have done 8 questions right now. Okay, I just show you 8 questions, but I have done this complete assignment. Now I am submitting my assignment. If you need complete solution of this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. Okay, let's submit our assignment and show my grade. Click on choose file. I have saved in here. Click on open. Click on upload button. Now click on submit for grading, and I will show my grade, how much grades I got in this assignment. You can see I have got 98 points out of 100. If you need complete solution of this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. And if you need help in this course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete course for you with A+ grade. I will do your art simulation training, simulation exam, all assignments, midterm exam and final exam. I can do all online courses on my lab IT Pearson. Okay, Cengage, Mentab, MCGraw, Simnet, Blackboards. I can do all courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Economics, Java, Writing, C++ and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are shown in the bottom of the screen, and given in the description. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Thank you. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Best of luck to my students.